Happy morning, children. I'm back with our today's lesson. Hope you all completed your workbook activities and then homeworks that I instruct you to. Yes. Shall we move to our today's session? I want you to clap your hands. Just clap your hands for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Now we have to open your worksheet 27. Be ready with your workbook and then pencil eraser. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you are ready with your worksheet, ma. Yes, here you can see some pictures. You have to fill these blanks with the correct blend sounds from the options given. Look at the options. Yes, here 2 options are given. You just fill up these blanks with these 2 options with the correct options given. You have to find out the correct options and then fill in this blank. I show you one model how to do this. Just look at me and then follow me. You have to do the remaining questions in your workbook as your own. Look at the first one. What is the picture, ma? Can you see the picture? What is this? Screen. Very good. What is this? Screen. Screen. What is the beginning blend sound? Screen. Skr. Very good. So that I have to complete this blank with the blend sound skr. Right. Like this, you have to do this rest of the questions in your workbook. I give you 10 seconds to complete this worksheet. Shall I start countdown? Yes. You just do this worksheet with your pencil. Write neatly. Don't scribble on book, ma. Handwriting must be neat and legible. Shall I start countdown? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. If you didn't complete means just pause the video and then complete this worksheet and then you have to see the remaining of this session. In the end of our today's session, I will show the answers for this worksheet 23. Okay children, let us move to our next session, whole words. I am going to show the cards of the new whole words we learnt in our previous class one by one. You just say the word and then say the spelling of the word one time and then you have to write the spelling in your notebook. Yes, I will take off the card and then I give you 3 seconds to write the spelling of the words in your notebook. Be ready with your notebook and then pencil eraser. I give you 3 seconds to ready with your notebook, ma. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you are ready with your notebook and then pencil eraser. Yes, let us going to read the first word. Look at the first word. What is this? Lived. What is this? Lived. We already learned this word and then we already learned the spelling of this word. And now going to read the spelling again. Look at the word. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Shall I take the card? Yes. Now I am going to take the card from your view and then you have to say the spelling and then write this word in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds to write this word. I'm going to take this card away from your view. Shall I start countdown? Yes, you just write the word lived. Hear the word carefully. Lived. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, hope you all written this. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word, ma. Yes, like the word, you have to read this word and then read the spelling of this word, and then I have to take the card away from your view. You just say the spelling and then write this word in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds to write this word. Shall we start to read this word? Side. What is this? Side. S I D E. Side. Again, say along with me. S I D E. Side. Are you ready? Yes, now I'm going to take this card away from your view. You just write the spelling of this word side in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, hope you have written this. Let us see the next word. Received. What is this? Received. Say the spelling along with me. R E C E I V E D. Received. R E C E I V E D. Received. Can you read this word clearly? Yes, now I am going to take this card away from your view. I give you 3 seconds to write this card. Write this word in your notebook. You have to write this word received. Hear the word carefully. Received. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you all completed this. Shall we move to the next word? Yes, look at the next word. What is this? Meat. Meat. M-E-E-T. Meat. Repeat it again. M-E-E-T. Meat. Shall I take this card away from your view? Yes, I give you 3 seconds to write this word. Write the word meat. Meat. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. If you finished writing means you just make a self-correction with this word I given. Yes, look at the word lived, side, received, meat. Just make a self-correction with your answers. If you have any mistakes means you just pause the video and then write the words again 2 times in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds to make a self-correction. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. If you make any mistakes, you just write the words 2 times and then say the spelling and write. The handwriting must be neat and legible. Send it in your WhatsApp group. Yes, now are you ready with your ESSA book, ESSA 7? I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Are you ready with your ESSA 7 on the page number 36? Yes, now I'm going to recap. how to making predictions. Look at this. How to make predictions. What is my predictions, ma? Yes, when we guess about anything, what will happen next in the story is known as prediction. If you're going to read one story means you just pause reading and then yourself you have to guess what will happen next in the story. Is known as making predictions. Prediction, just point out with your finger, making predictions. Prediction is a guess about what might happen next in the story. These are made based on pictures, events of the story and the information we already know. To guess which country this is, look at the picture. Yes, can you guess which country is this? I know from the story that the boy was first in India. He is now in another country. So he must be close to India. Right? I know what he's seeing is this. Yes, what is the picture is about, ma? Yes, this is the Great Wall of China. So I can predict that the boy is in China. Very good. Yes, this is a long wall, right? Which country is this? China. With the help of this picture given, we can make predictions as our own. This is known as making predictions. Now we will see one slide. Listen to me carefully. I am going to show you one story. Listen to the story carefully. And then you have to make a guess what will happen next. Look at the story, ma. One day, Amit's mother was not at home. Yes, he is Amit. Who is he? He is Amit. Amit's mother was not at home. He wanted to eat a cookie. His mother had told him not to eat so many cookies. He knew that mother was not at home. Yes, Amit's mother told to Amit not to eat so many cookies. But Amit knew that his mother was not at home, right? He went to the kitchen and saw the cookie jar. He opened the cookie jar when he heard someone opening the door. Yes, when Amit went to kitchen and saw the cookie jar, he tried to open the cookie jar. That time he heard someone opening the door. Do you have any idea what will happen next? What will happen next, ma? Yes, I think his mother will enter the house. Right? Yes. Now we have to open SR 13 concept time. I give you 3 seconds to open SR 13 concept time. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this story. The little brother asked Ria, "Are we there today?" "No, you sleep. It will take time," said Ria. The car was full of bags. The mother and the father looked at a map. They were looking where to take a turn. What can you conclude from this story? Yes, with the help of SR 13, you can make a conclusion for this story as your own. Right? Next, you have to open worksheet 27 and you have to complete this question number 2. Look at the question number 2 in worksheet 27. I give you 3 seconds to open your worksheet 27 at the page number 55. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Look at the second question, ma. Sort the words by writing them in the correct column. Look at this. There are 2 columns are given. One is verb and then another one is noun. Here some words are written in this box, right? Yes, you will find out the nouns and the verbs in these words and then write them in the correct column, right? We already learned about verb and then noun. What is meant by verb, ma? Verb is a action word, right? Say along with me, verb is a action word. Noun, what is meant by noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, right? Yes, you have to just look at the answers, words in these boxes given. I show you one model. Look at the first word. What is this? World map. World map. Is that an action word? World map is an action word? No. This is the name of a thing. Right. So that I have to fill this blank with the word world map. Right, like this you have to read the other words in these boxes and then fill in this verb and then noun. At the end of the session I will show the answers for this worksheet. Let us going to see this next worksheet. Open worksheet 28. Look at this worksheet 28, ma'am. Yes. Which word from, look at the first and second question. Which word from the story means the same as visit? You have to find out the meaning for this word visit from these 3 options given. And then you have to tick the correct answer. Look at the second question. Yes, like this you have to find out the which word from the story means the same as trekking. Find out the meaning for the trekking in these 3 options given and then you have to tick the correct answers from these 3 options. Yes, you must do it as your own in your workbook. I will show the answers for these 2 in the end of our today's session. Let us going to see the third question in worksheet 28. Look at the third question. Here is a small story is given. Look at this. Small story is given in this worksheet 28, third question. You will write the correct story. You will write the correct story by using capital letters and then full stops as we do in our previous worksheet. Yes, we learned how to write a sentence. Sentence must start with a capital letter and then end with a full stop. And then for the proper nouns and then I, we must use capital letters. Right? Yes, like this you have to complete this story as your own. Okay, cuties. I show you one model like this. You have to write the first sentence. I like school holidays because I can do a lot of fun things. In this sentence, look at the first word, I. If I means, what letter we have to use? Yes, we have to use the capital letters, I. Like school days because I can do a lot of fun things. I like school days, school holidays, because I, instead of I we can use capital letters, can do a lot of fun things. In the end of this sentence, we have to use full stops. Like this, you have to complete this remaining story as your own in your worksheet 28. Yes, children, yesterday I told you to complete these sentences as your own, right? Yes, you have to complete this sentence with your own words. I hope you have completed this. One model I show you that I complete the sentence with my own words. Look at the words, look at the sentence. Yes, if you complete means you just make a self correction with this. Let us going to complete our today's session. I will show the answers for our today's homework. Look at this ma. This is the answer for worksheet 27. First question. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. If you complete means you just make a self correction. If you didn't complete means you just pause the video and then complete this question as your own in your workbook. Let us see the answer for second question in worksheet 27. Look at this. This is the answer for worksheet 2, second question. Sort the words by writing them in the correct column. Sort the words into verb and then noun. Just pause the video. I give you 5 seconds to write this, complete this worksheet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next worksheet? Look at this one. This is the answer for worksheet 28. First and second question. Which word from the story means the same as visit? What is visit ma? To see received people. And then third one is to see and meet someone. Which one is correct? Yes, to see and meet someone is the correct answer for the word visit. Look at the second question. Which one is the correct answer for trekking? Trekking means climb. Climb. Let us see the answer for third question. Look at the third question ma. Yes, you have to rewrite this story with correct capital letters and then full stops. Just I give the show the answers. You just make a self correction with your answers. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay children, I hope you have completed this. Today's homeworks are, you must go through these blend words. All the blend sound words we already learned in our previous classes. In SR1, you have to read the words br blend sound and then kr blend sounds. And then in SR12, you must go through the fr blend words and then dr blend words. Right. Next in SR 17, you just go through these tr blend words, and then SR 18 gr blend words. Then finally SR 23 page number 52, you must go through these scr blend words and then spr blend words. You just go through all these blend words again in your SR book, ma. Read these words again and again in your SR book, and then you have to read the story in your SR book. SR 19 Postcard from America. Again you go through this story and then read the story as your own in your SR book, and then you have to read the whole words in our SR 24 new whole words. Read the words and then write the spelling in your notebook 2 times. Just go through all these activities and then do the homeworks and send in your WhatsApp group. Okay, cuties, I am going to complete our today's session. All of you take care. See you in our next session. Thank you. Bye.